Hello, everyone. Today we are going to present Ocutrap, which is revolutionizing the catch and release segment of the pest control industry. I'm Brian Quispe.
And I'm Graham Patterson.
Currently, the pest control industry removes and relocates many of the animals they find. There are about 26,000 companies within the pest control industry. They range from small family-owned wildlife control companies such as Wentel Wildlife Pest Control, located here in Allentown, to big wildlife control companies such as Terminex, Rentokil, and Orkin. Once a client contacts a pest control company, the wildlife control personnel set the appropriate number of traps dedicated to the area. The problem with this is that they are required to check the traps every 2 days in Pennsylvania. So most of their time is spent just checking the traps that they already set, and in some cases, they have to move the traps to a new location as well. According to Thomas Figel, who works for Pocono Wildlife Control and several other wildlife control personnel, they may use about 3 to 6 traps on a single residential property. Larger accounts, such as universities, require about 1 to 2 dozen traps. It may take 1 to 5 days to capture a target species. And lastly, a pest control personnel can easily put 250 miles on a vehicle checking a dozen traps in a single day. According to the data I collected from wildlife control personnel, the opportunity cost of just checking the traps is about 5 clients, and each client generates about $200 of revenue on average. So this means that if they did not have to physically check the traps, then they would gain 5 new clients in a day and generate about $1,000 more in revenue. And this is why we created Ocutrap.
Ocutrap is the first trap to allow users full control and monitoring of their cages. The trap is a patent-pending solution designed to save countless man-hours and miles driven to check and reset traps. The Ocutrap is connected over LTE from multiple cell carriers to our app and website. The user can access important information such as the camera, battery life, cell signal, location, and temperature of the trap. The operator simply sets the cage at the problem location and waits for a notification of a successful catch. If there is a non-target animal, such as the neighbor's cat, the operator can quickly release the animal remotely. When armed, the Ocutrap will sense the presence of an animal in the cage and securely close the door. As you can see, the Ocutrap has captured a problem raccoon. With a click of a button on the app, the door will open and the trapper is able to release the animal from a distance. We started Ocutrap during the Lehigh Student Idea Accelerator, the Hatchery, where we quickly realized the issue of time and money wasted checking animal traps through customer discovery. We began to design the Ocutrap as we learned about the pain points of the animal control operators. We successfully pitched in our first Eureka to fund the building of our initial prototype. We developed multiple iterations of door, sensors, and motors to come to the current design as we worked through engineering issues along the way. We launched our website in September and our app in November. In October, we spoke to Stephen Goldthwait, who is a prominent entrepreneur and our business mentor. After seeing how innovative our product was, he suggested that we get a provisional patent in order to secure our intellectual property. He also connected us with various people within the industry, such as Craig Crosley, who works for the Bird Control Group and develops pest control technology, as well as Rolly Calzadia, who used to work for Terminix. Most recently, we have begun building out the circuit board after multiple design iterations to improve the reliability and capabilities of the trap. We have come a long way in the past couple months, and we have big plans.
Ocutrap is on the path of taking this revolutionary new trap to market. Our next step is to move from alpha to beta testing. This stage includes building 25 to 50 traps and selling at a reduced price to customers. We will use this stage to refine the product from beta user feedback. The funds needed to complete the beta stage will come from family and friends. So this stage is also important in solidifying manufacturing, sales, distribution, and product pricing. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation. We encourage you to go to ocutrap.com to learn more. Thank you.